Welcome back to our series on the cosmic connectivity paradigm. I'm Brandon Christopher King. In our last episode, we discussed the idea that thoughts, emotions, and intentions ripple through our shared cosmic field, shaping societal systems. We explored how reimagining these systems, based on the principles of cosmic connectivity, can lead to more harmonious and conscious societies. Now, we always appreciate the feedback and insights we receive from our dedicated viewers. Today, we turn our attention to one comment in particular that has sparked some interesting discussions. In essence, the comment asked how these ideas compare to socialism. I will let our host Bella take it from here.
Thanks, Brandon. First, let's focus on understanding different ideologies. What is socialism? At its core, socialism is a political and economic system where the means of production, distribution, and exchange should be owned or regulated by the community as a whole. Its main principles revolve around equality and an equitable distribution of wealth and resources. A common feature in many socialist systems is the belief that wealth and power should be shared and that there should be controls or regulations to prevent vast disparities between the rich and the poor. While socialism often gets painted in broad strokes, it's essential to recognize that there are many forms and interpretations of this ideology. One popular misconception is that socialism implies a total absence of private ownership or that it always leads to an authoritarian regime. Cosmic connectivity paradigm. How does it compare? The cosmic connectivity paradigm is less about the nitty-gritty of political and economic systems and more about the underlying idea that we all share a deep connection. It's about recognizing the profound ties that bind us all, not just economically, but spiritually, emotionally, and mentally. While socialism speaks to the equitable distribution of resources, the cosmic connectivity paradigm emphasizes the importance of understanding, harmony, and working in sync with the universal rhythms. This paradigm suggests that by acknowledging our shared cosmic field, we can achieve greater harmony and progress together. There are, of course, overlaps. Both the paradigm and socialism touch on the idea of collective good and working together for a harmonious society. But where socialism is more focused on material and economic aspects, the cosmic connectivity paradigm is broader, looking at the collective consciousness and the spiritual and emotional ties that bind us. Conclusion on socialism. Socialism, as an ideology, has its roots in addressing societal imbalances and ensuring a fair distribution of resources. The cosmic connectivity paradigm, while resonating with some of these ideas, is primarily a framework for understanding our deep connections and how these can be leveraged for collective growth and harmony. As we continue this discussion, it's crucial to approach it with an open mind, understanding that while terms and labels can be useful, they can also be limiting. It's the underlying principles and values that truly matter. Choice and voluntary collaboration. First up, the power of choice. Choice is a fundamental aspect of any thriving society. It allows individuals to express their beliefs, desires, and dreams. When people have the freedom to make decisions and chart their own paths, it helps create innovation, creativity, and personal responsibility. By honoring the choices of individuals, we respect their autonomy and value their unique contributions to the collective. Voluntary collaborations, making history. History is full of examples of voluntary collaborations that have changed the world. Think about the early days of the internet. It wasn't the result of a mandated effort, but a collaboration of brilliant minds who came together, driven by a shared vision of a connected world. Their combined efforts, done voluntarily and out of passion, led to one of the most transformative inventions of our time. Another example is the open source movement in software development. Developers from around the world voluntarily contribute their skills to build software that anyone can use, modify, and distribute. This spirit of collaboration has resulted in significant advancements in technology, all because individuals chose to come together for a shared goal. Shared goals, diverse paths. While it's essential to recognize our shared goals and aspirations, it's equally important to understand that there isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Every individual, community, and culture brings unique perspectives and solutions to the table. By valuing this diversity, we can find multiple ways to achieve our collective objectives. For instance, in addressing environmental concerns, one community might focus on developing renewable energy sources, while another might prioritize conservation efforts or sustainable agriculture. The goal, protecting our planet, is shared, but the approaches are varied based on resources, expertise, and local circumstances. Conclusion on choice. Choice and voluntary collaboration are powerful forces. They allow us to harness the diverse skills, knowledge, and passions of individuals around the world. While we may all aspire for a harmonious society, it's vital to remember that there are myriad paths to reach there. By championing choice and celebrating voluntary efforts, we can make strides towards our shared vision while honoring the unique contributions of each individual. The vision of cosmic connectivity paradigm, mutual respect. At the heart of the cosmic connectivity paradigm is the idea of mutual respect. This means valuing each individual's unique experiences, beliefs, and perspectives. We acknowledge that every person brings something valuable to the table, and by respecting this diversity, we lay the foundation for a harmonious society. In practical terms, this could translate to listening sessions in educational settings, open forums in governance, or collaborative brainstorming in workplaces. The principle remains: every voice matters. Harmonization of frequencies. Harmonizing frequencies doesn't mean making everyone the same. Instead, it's about finding common ground, identifying shared goals, and working together to achieve them. Think of it like a choir. Each voice has a different pitch, but together they create a beautiful harmony. In societal systems, this could manifest as collaborative community projects, shared resource pools in neighborhoods, or even international coalitions addressing global challenges. It's all about synchronizing our efforts for greater impact. Conscious evolution. Conscious evolution is about purposeful growth. It suggests that we don't just evolve by chance, but with intention and awareness. This involves recognizing the areas we need to grow in, setting goals, and working collectively to achieve them. In education, this might mean continually updating curricula to reflect current realities. In governance, it could refer to policies that are adaptable and responsive to societal changes. It's about being proactive and forward-thinking in our approach. Applying principles without imposing ideologies. What's crucial to understand is that the cosmic connectivity paradigm isn't about imposing a specific set of beliefs or ideologies. Instead, it offers a framework or a guiding light. Whether it's in education, governance, or any other societal system, the principles can be applied flexibly. For instance, in education, mutual respect might mean honoring diverse learning styles, while harmonization could involve group projects where students collaborate to solve problems. In governance, conscious evolution could be seen in community-driven development plans. The beauty of the cosmic connectivity paradigm is its adaptability. It provides guiding principles, but it's up to each community, institution, or individual to determine how best to apply them in their unique contexts. Conclusion on our vision. The cosmic connectivity paradigm offers a vision of a world where mutual respect, harmonization, and conscious evolution guide our actions and decisions. By integrating these principles into our societal systems, we can create environments that foster collaboration, understanding, and purposeful growth, all without adhering to a single, rigid ideology. Benefits of collaboration. Real-world examples. The International Space Station is a marvel of human achievement. It is a result of collaborative efforts from space agencies from the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada. It wasn't built on a singular political ideology, but a shared ambition to explore space and expand our understanding of the universe. The Global Polio Eradication Initiative was started in 1988. This initiative is a combined effort of multiple nations and organizations aiming to wipe out polio. Their joint mission wasn't driven by politics, but by a shared goal to eliminate a debilitating disease. The CERN Large Hadron Collider that is located near Geneva, this particle physics laboratory involves thousands of scientists from over 100 countries. Their collective goal? To study the basic constituents of matter. Political beliefs take a back seat when the excitement of discovery is on the line. Potential benefits of collaboration. Accelerated innovation happens when people with diverse skills and perspectives come together. They often find solutions faster. Different viewpoints lead to out-of-the-box thinking and quicker problem-solving. Take the Human Genome Project, for example, an international effort that mapped all the genes in human DNA way ahead of schedule. Resource sharing is great. Collaboration often means pooling resources, be it funds, knowledge, or manpower. This not only reduces individual burdens, but can lead to more efficient use of resources. Consider how countries share satellite data during natural disasters, aiding swift response and recovery efforts. Achieving grand milestones, collaboration can help us reach heights that seemed out of reach. A shining example is the eradication of smallpox. Thanks to global cooperation, a disease that once took millions of lives annually was declared eradicated in 1980. Collaboration is more than just a nice idea, it's a proven strategy for success. By focusing on shared purposes and challenges, communities and nations can set aside their differences and achieve remarkable feats. When we come together with a common goal, the possibilities are truly limitless. Addressing concerns and misconceptions. The core of the paradigm. Let's clarify something essential. The cosmic connectivity paradigm isn't about pushing any specific political or social agenda. Its principles revolve around mutual respect, harmonizing our goals, and evolving consciously together. We value open communication. Comments, critiques, and questions like this one are crucial. They spark dialogue, challenge our understanding, and prompt us to view issues from various angles. This isn't about convincing anyone to accept a particular viewpoint. It's about creating an environment where ideas can be shared freely and explored collaboratively. Your feedback is the lifeblood of meaningful conversation. It keeps topics relevant and ensures we're addressing the concerns of our community. Every query or observation is a chance for all of us to learn and grow. The goal is clear understanding and mutual growth. By addressing concerns and misconceptions head-on, we aim to create a space where everyone feels heard and every idea is valued. Let's continue the dialogue, grow together, and build a future anchored in mutual respect and shared aspirations. Conclusion. Recap of our discussion. Today, we've taken a closer look at the cosmic connectivity paradigm, shedding light on its essence and differentiating it from specific ideologies like socialism. We've underscored the power of choice and the historical triumphs of voluntary collaboration. Through real-world examples, we highlighted the magic that happens when communities unite over a shared purpose, not just a shared belief. Our series goal. The heart of this series beats with one mission: to discover fresh ways of thinking and working together. We're not anchoring ourselves to a single system or ideology. Instead, we aim to explore all of the possibilities that emerge when we're open to diverse thoughts and ideas. Your voice matters. As we move forward, we'd love to hear from you. What are your experiences? How do you envision a world where collaboration and respect are at the forefront? Share your thoughts and stories. They might just be the inspiration for our next episode. Thank you for joining us today. Together, we're charting a course towards a brighter, more collaborative future.
Hey everyone, it's Brandon. First and foremost, I want to thank you for being here, engaging with our content, and sharing this space with us. I want to make something clear. This channel isn't just about my beliefs. It's about yours too. When I speak about various topics or on my faith, It's not to impose, but to share a piece of me. Every one of us has unique experiences and perspectives, and that's the beauty of it. We're not here to have all the answers. In fact, that's the thrill. Exploring, questioning, and learning. When you listen to another person's perspective, it's like opening a new book. You might find a chapter that resonates with you, or you might not, and that's okay. What's important is that we respect the stories and voices of one another. So let's continue our conversations, debates, and explorations. If you like what we're doing, I'd appreciate it if you could hit the like button, follow us, and subscribe on YouTube and Platform X. Your support means a lot. And before I sign off, a little teaser for our upcoming series, The Art of Learning Flow Theory. It is another sub-theory of the Rivers of Life theory. Think of it as your guide to mastering the essence of learning. We'll be going deep into the Art of Learning Flow Theory, or ALF for short. It's about the magic that happens when curiosity, hands-on experiences, reflection, adaptability, growth, diverse learning, and a lifelong passion for knowledge come together. These same principles can be applied to machine learning. If you're curious about how these elements combine and what they can do for you, stay tuned. Thank you for being a part of our community. See you in the next episode.